Hi, my name is Afandi, the representative of Institut Teknologi 10 November to Pemilihan Mahasiswa Berprestasi Nasional 2016. And here, my idea for Bright Indonesia. The sustainability of residential and industrial sector activity will depend on the availability of electric energy. But at the end of 2015, Indonesia electrification ratio is only 80.5%, or 12.5 million people in Indonesia doesn't have electric energy supply yet. On the other side, the electric energy demand in Indonesia is increased 6% every year, or Indonesia needs more than 2,000 megawatts new power plants every year. Unfortunately, Indonesia's primary power plants are using fossil fuels to generate their power, such as coal and oil, which is decreased linearly every year and produce hazard emission. Furthermore, the non-electricity areas in Indonesia are majority placed in East Indonesia, which separated each other or isolated with less than 2,200 volt ampere electric loads. It means we need more investment costs if we want to reach them by grid-connected electric system. On the other side, Indonesia has high solar energy potential up to 4.9 kWh per meter square. This high solar energy are potentially to be an alternative energy source, especially in isolated areas which is difficult to reach by grid-connected system. Nowadays, the development of solar energy utilization through solar power plant is highly improved. The technologies are solar panel, which utilize photon energy, and concentrated solar power, which utilize solar thermal energy. However, static or conventional solar panel will only optimally work when the solar panel modules are perpendicular with the sunlight. Meanwhile, the utilization of solar thermal energy through concentrated solar power has high sound emission, which is not suitable to be implemented in the household areas. So, a new technology must provide to overcome these problems, and SAFER with the best choice of it. SAFER is a new generation of power plant which consists of two main components. There are Smart Solar Panel 2.0 and Concentrated Thermoelectric Generator. SAFER is able to convert two energy from the sun into one electric energy. The energies are photon energy and thermal energy. Solar photon energy will be utilized by photovoltaic effect from modified solar panel using single-axis solar tracker in Smart Solar Panel 2.0. The using of single-axis solar tracker in this system is able to minimize the voltage drop because it makes solar panel modules always perpendicular with the sunlight. Whereas the solar thermal energy will be concentrated into one point through parabolic mirror. The temperature of concentrated areas will be increased significantly up to 100 degrees Celsius. And this condition will be utilized by thermoelectric generator to produce electric energy through seabed effect. Besides using parabolic mirror, SAFER is also using flat mirror as a reflector with 60-degree elevation angle. The flat mirror is used to decrease the shading effect caused by CTG components. SAFER is using standalone topology to reduce the investment cost in isolated areas with electric loads less than 2,200 volt ampere. Standalone topology is an independent power plant which directly connected to the electric loads or not connected with the other power plants. The using of this topology doesn't require more investment costs such as transmission and distribution cable and also the grid system. The electric energy result from SAFER is 185 watt-hour a day, or increase more than 90% than the regular solar panel power plant. Hence, SAFER is provide an alternative solution to fulfill the electric demand, especially in isolated areas, which is difficult to reach by integrated grid-connected system. Besides using standalone topology, the beneficials of this device are costless in operational and also environmentally friendly because this device is only utilize solar energy as the source. If we can provide 100% electrification ratio for Indonesia, I believe Indonesia will be one of the greatest nations in the world because sustainable development starts with electric energy and SAFER will save us to the bright future.